Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
The owner of this property, along with some other non-Goan persons, were trying to erect. In fact, they partly erected some structure, which they are calling it temporary, but it is really not a temporary structure. It appears to be some permanent structure. Last time the High Court had ordered sealing of this structure. Today, these parties have undertaken before the High Court that they will remove this structure and that work should start by 12:30 today. And that is the order passed by the Honorable High Court. There is a further direction by the High Court that there will be a joint inspection by the CRZ authority and the Panchayat to find out if at all there are any further and more structures which have been constructed on the beach in the same line as that of this structure. So that inspection will also happen immediately and a report will be given to the High Court.